Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, D,
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay,
E,
my fair lady.
F,
Wood and clay will wash away,
G,
wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel,
H.
iron and steel. Build
Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow.
A is for apple.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
A is for ant.
London Bridge is falling down.
A is for antlers, on top of a deer. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Like and subscribe to my channel.